Hi, in this lesson, we'll learn how to use the fill mode in Figma. So the fill mode allows you to apply a solid color, a gradient, or an image to an object. So let's start by creating a simple rectangle. So click and drag to draw a rectangle. Now let's go to our fill mode in the layer panels and pick this color square. So this trigger our color picker. We can move this circle to change the color of our object. We can also apply a gradient to our object. Let's pick linear with, let's change it to a diagonal linear gradient. So here we can change the color from this box, the top color, and from here we can change this part of the gradient. Move the slider so to increase the opacity. Okay, we can also change the gradient style. We have the radial, angular, or diamond. Also we can add new gradient point here. Click between those two boxes so you can add new color points. And also we can apply an image from the fill mode. So pick choose image, go to Figma course images. Let's apply this image. We can also create multiple layers. Let's, for example, create a filter layer on top of this image. Let's hit this plus to create a new filter layer. So here we can adjust the opacity and the color on here. We can also transform this fill settings to a color style so we can apply it to multiple shapes. So for example, like hit this style icon and hit the plus to create a style. Let's give it a name of style 1 and hit create style. So here we have created a style out of two fill layers, the image and the filter. So for example, if we go and create an ellipse, we can apply this fill style. So here, let's go to the style icon and there you go. All right, that was everything about the fill mode. Thanks, and I will see you in the next lesson.